guys, this is another live stream, surprisingly. So what I'm gonna do today is that I have this radio right here, and this can transmit the weather broadcast. So I'll be doing something random while you guys will be able to listen in to the weather. How's that sound? Yeah. Okay. Now I know it is not this time. It is actually that time, which is, I can't even see crud. It's the bad quality. Jeez, it is, I'll tell you, it's 7:18. This thing is 6 hours off. So, yeah, don't pay attention to that. Just pay attention to the weather. Ah.
West wind at 9 miles an hour. At Winchester, cloudy. 41 degrees.
Hope you guys can hear that.
West wind at 13 miles an hour. At Petersburg, West Virginia, mostly
Don't worry,
cloudy.
hopefully you'll get to it.
Northwest wind at
I'm getting this backwards.
At Washington,
What is it to be so hard?
60 degrees.
For me to just do something.
Northwest wind at 13 miles an hour. At Elkins,
There you
cloudy
go.
skies. It was 38. Wind variable at 7 miles an hour. At Stanton, fair. Temperature 41. Northwest wind at 7. At New York, fair skies. 44. Wind northwest at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 30. At Norfolk, fair skies. 53. Wind north at 9 miles an hour. At Raleigh, fair skies. 50. Wind calm. The current time is 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Wow.
The latest river levels in the Potomac, Shenandoah, and Rappahannock basins are as follows. All reports are current as of 7 p.m. and are measured in feet. For Rappahannock River above Fredericksburg, 2.9.
Mind you, this will only make
Rapidan River
sense
near
if you're
Culpeper,
actually
1.6.
watching this live right now.
South River at
Oh my gosh, I have a viewer!
3.2.
Hi, whoever
Here
this
is a look
is.
at the weather features
Fine,
that will
can
affect the
try and
region over the next several days.
Live chat.
High pressure building into the area
Yay.
from the Ohio Valley will persist
Okay.
for Monday. Drier
I am.
and cooler conditions will prevail during this time. A cold front will approach from the Great Lakes
Yay.
Tuesday, followed
Hi.
by a return to high pressure for much of the second half
I'm gonna have
of
to
the
give
week.
you a shout out or something.
Low pressure may approach from the southeastern United States or the Tennessee Valley by next weekend.
Okay, I'm actually gonna have to get a
Now
shower,
for the
so
official
this will
National
run,
Weather
and you'll be able to
Service
listen to the
for
weather.
Charlottesville and the
So this is
surrounding
for
KZZ 28
the
listening
current
area.
location, which
Rest
is
of this
basically
afternoon,
Fluvanna
sunny.
County and around. So,
Highs in the
okay,
lower 50s.
right, bye.
Temperatures steady or slowly falling through late afternoon. Northwest winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Widespread frost after midnight. Lows in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest after midnight. Monday, widespread frost in the morning. Sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-60s. Wednesday, mostly clear. Highs in the
I
mid-50s.
just hope that doesn't fall down.
Lows in the mid-30s. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the
Oh
lower
no, a
50s.
Sharknado!
Lows
not
in the
that.
mid-30s. Friday, mostly
am.
cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the upper 30s. Saturday, mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the lower 40s. The Northern Virginia mountain forecast for elevations above 2,000 feet, including the Skyline Drive. Freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Monday. Tonight, cold. Mostly clear. Widespread frost after midnight. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, sunny. Widespread frost in the morning. Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Wednesday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Highs in the upper 40s. Thursday, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. Highs in the mid-40s. Friday, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Highs in the upper 40s. This hazardous weather outlook is for eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland with the exception of Garrett County. Day 1, tonight. A freeze warning is in effect for portions of northern and western Maryland as well as northern and central Virginia starting at midnight. A frost advisory is in effect for the remainder of the region also starting at midnight. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday. A freeze warning is in effect for portions of northern and western Maryland as well as northern and central Virginia through 10 a.m. A frost advisory is in effect for the remainder of the region also through 10 a.m. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Fluvanna and Goochland. Freeze warning in effect from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a freeze warning, which is in effect from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday. The frost advisory is no longer in effect. Areas affected, parts of central Virginia northwest of Richmond. Hazards, freezing temperatures. Temperatures, lower 30s. Timing, Monday morning. Impacts, crops and other sensitive vegetation may be killed if left exposed. A freeze warning means sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Amelia, Cumberland, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Frost advisory remains in effect from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday. Areas affected, much of central and southern Virginia, and parts of northeast North Carolina. Hazards, frost. Temperatures, low to mid-30s. Timing, Monday morning. Impacts, sensitive outdoor plants may be killed if left uncovered. A frost advisory means that widespread frost is expected. Sensitive outdoor plants may be killed if left uncovered. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Amherst, Appomattox, Buckingham, and Charlotte. Freeze warning remains in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Monday. Temperatures, upper 20s to lower 30s. Timing, late tonight into Monday morning. Impacts, damage to vegetation. Locations, southwest Virginia and northwest North Carolina. Hazards, freezing temperatures and frost. A freeze warning means sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Albemarle, Augusta, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Culpeper, Greene, Madison, Nelson, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Orange, and Spotsylvania. Freeze warning remains in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Monday. Temperatures in the low 30s. Impacts, freezing temperatures will likely kill sensitive vegetation and could damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. A freeze warning means sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KZZ 28, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.450 MHz from an antenna located in Charlottesville, Virginia. The 7 p.m. observations. At Charlottesville, fair skies. The temperature was 45 degrees. Dew point 29. Humidity was 53%. Winds were northwest at 3 miles an hour and the barometric pressure was 30.21 inches and rising. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At Roanoke, fair. Temperature 46. Northwest wind at 12. At Lynchburg, fair. 46 degrees. Calm. At Louisa, fair. Temperature 44. North wind at 6. At Culpeper, fair. Temperature 46. Northwest wind at 5. At Orange, fair. 43 degrees. North wind at 5 miles an hour. At Richmond, fair skies. It was 50 degrees. Wind northwest at 9. At Fredericksburg, fair. 47 degrees. Northwest wind at 9 miles an hour. At Winchester, cloudy. 41 degrees. West wind at 13 miles an hour. At Petersburg, West Virginia, mostly cloudy. 39 degrees. Northwest wind at 3. At Washington, fair. 50 degrees. Northwest wind at 13 miles an hour. At Elkins, cloudy skies. It was 38. Wind variable at 7 miles an hour. At Stanton, fair. Temperature 41. Northwest wind at 7. At New York, fair skies. 44. Wind northwest at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 30. At Norfolk, fair skies. 53. Wind north at 9 miles an hour. At Raleigh, fair skies. 50. Wind calm. Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. High pressure over the Ohio Valley will build into the region through Monday, delivering drier and cooler conditions. A cold front will approach from the Great Lakes Tuesday, followed by a return to high pressure
Okay,
for
so
much of the second half
I
of the
finally
week.
took a shower. Oh,
Low
yay!
pressure may
You are
approach
still
from the
there.
southeastern United
Yes.
States
Oh,
or the Tennessee Valley by next weekend.
yes.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ 28 listening area. Tonight, mostly clear. Widespread frost after midnight. Lows in the lower 30s.
What?
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest after midnight.
Did you even wash your hair?
Monday, widespread frost in the morning.
Am I dry it?
Sunny. Highs in the upper 50s.
Oh, shit. I forgot.
Southwest
Some of
winds
this
5
stuff
to 10
on
miles
the
an
bed.
hour. Monday
Why is
night, mostly
tissues?
clear.
Oh, yeah, I moved that
Lows
because
around 40.
my drink was here.
Oh, I see.
Southwest
And I made
winds
chocolate
5 to
milk.
10 miles an hour. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s.
I mean,
That was
let's
my
go.
West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
We're gonna get eaten
Tuesday
here
night,
shortly, okay?
mostly clear.
Alright.
Lows in the upper 30s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly clear. Highs in
Hey!
the upper 50s.
I robbed the sportsman.
Thursday, partly cloudy.
Actually, real quick, if you haven't already subscribed to Rob the Sportsman,
Friday,
he
mostly cloudy.
he has only one subscriber and his channel is dying, so he needs your help. This is first world
Saturday
problems,
through Sunday,
so you have to
mostly
subscribe to
cloudy
him.
with
Go
a
subscribe.
50% chance of
Mike,
rain
Mike, are
showers.
you still on there? You have to subscribe to him. Go!
50s. Lows in the
Actually,
mid-40s.
who is still on here? I don't know who's
The
on here.
northern Virginia
do I
mountain
know?
forecast
Who
for
is on?
elevations
How do I
above
know?
2,000 feet, including the Skyline Drive. Freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight.
Ooh, freeze
to 10
warning.
a.m. Monday.
Oh my god.
Tonight, cold.
That is a
mostly
lot of
clear.
highs.
Widespread frost after midnight.
Oh my gosh.
Lows in the lower 30s. Monday,
Now.
sunny. Widespread frost in the morning.
Okay, so
Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the
by
lower
the way,
40s.
Rob the Sportsman,
Tuesday,
the
sunny. Highs in the
8.
upper 50s.
The
Wednesday,
time
mostly clear.
is 6
Lows in
hours
the
off
mid-30s.
for some reason.
Highs in the upper
Because
40s.
as you can see,
Thursday,
oh,
mostly
okay,
clear.
cool.
Lows in the lower 30s.
Oh, we have 3
Highs
people.
in the mid-40s.
Who's the third person?
Friday, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Highs in the upper 40s. The current
Surprisingly,
time
this is more people than I
7:33
got on
p.m.
my
Eastern Daylight
30
Time.
subscriber special. That's
This
amazing.
hazardous weather outlook is
And
for
it's just
eastern
a
West
weather
Virginia,
report
northern and central
from
Virginia,
an
and
automated,
central and western Maryland with the exception of
automatic
Garrett County.
voice. Like,
Day 1,
that's
tonight.
amazing.
A freeze warning is in effect for portions of northern and western Maryland as well as northern and central Virginia starting at midnight. A frost advisory is in effect for the remainder of the region also starting at midnight. Days 2
Oh,
through
you did?
7,
Cool.
Monday through Saturday. A freeze warning is in effect for portions of northern and western Maryland as well as northern and central Virginia through 10 a.m.
Hey! Oh
A
no,
frost
what happened to the third
advisory
guy?
is in effect for the remainder
Where'd
of
he
the region
go?
also through 10 a.m. Spotter
I'm doing a live
information
stream.
statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this
Okay.
time. This is a
Well,
statement from
thank
the
you for
National Weather
thank you
Service.
for listening in on the
For the
weather.
following
I'm actually
counties
very grateful
in
that you
Virginia,
actually find this
Nevada, and
entertaining.
Queensland.
Let me
Freeze warning in effect from 2
Um,
a.m. to 8
right here.
a.m. Monday.
To where? What site are you doing live stream to?
I'm making one on my YouTube channel. Don't worry, they'll get used to this. So, anyways, thank you for watching this live stream. I'm very grateful that you actually find this stuff interesting, and hopefully you'll actually be prepared for the next few days, because I didn't hear most of it, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm actually gonna have to stop this now. I'm about to have. So I'm about to have dinner. So I'm gonna have to cut this short. So thank you for checking in. And yeah, see you next time.